So currently we're now at 16,000 outages across the state. Most of the outages are in the southwestern part of the territory where we saw the largest amount of snow, 4 feet or so of snow, and we've also received some high winds.
So 1,600 outages, was that a number that you guys were kind of expecting before the storm?
Well, actually, it's 16,000 customers out right now,
Oh, okay.
currently right now. Yeah, this is, we saw a little bit wetter snow and more snow than was originally forecasted. So Monday night, we started taking some damage on early Tuesday morning. And we pre-positioned contractors and our line crews early Tuesday morning across the entire state to prepare for this event.
And how many crews do you guys have out right now?
Yeah, we currently have thousands of crews. We have about 1,200 primary line crews that are working down in that area of New Hampshire. We also have damage assessors that are out and crews dedicated to services.
Was this a record number of crews? I think there was I saw that somewhere.
Yeah, it's right up there. It's right up back. We had about 1,200 line crews back in the ice storm of 2008. So it's right up there with our record numbers of crews for our restoration.
Are you able to say where from other states or other places that you guys have been bringing in crews from?
Yeah, we have crews from Canada, Georgia, Indiana, Mississippi, Alabama. We flew some of the crews into Bradley in Connecticut, where we have some trucks available, and then they're pre-positioned here in New Hampshire.
So how is the situation going on right now? Are they able to handle these outages pretty easily?
Yeah, the conditions for crews to get around have improved compared to yesterday. We're working with municipalities in the communities in road clearing. We cleared 240 block roads. We currently only have a few that are remaining down in the southwestern part of the state. We have all the schools we have restored. We're working with 2 communities on the last restorations for schools. But yeah, we've been working closely with our communities on block roads.
When was the worst time for outages during this storm?
I think our peak was Tuesday night. We received a lot of wet, heavy snow early Tuesday morning. And as forecasted, the winds picked up late Tuesday into Wednesday morning. We peaked around 74,000 customers out early on Wednesday morning.
Wow. So when do you predict, I guess, when power will be back on for pretty much everybody?
Yeah, so great question. So yesterday we established a global ETR of Friday evening, 6 p.m. to be substantially complete. We are on track of meeting all of our estimated restoration times for our customers. So yesterday morning, after we established our global ETR, for each one of our customers' events, the outage events, we put in specific ETRs. So there's a lot of customers that will be restored sooner than that. We're currently at 16,000 customers out, as I said earlier. We're forecasted to be below 10 by the end of the day today.
Okay, cool. Am I missing anything else?
I would just, anything you want to say to customers who might still be out power,
Yeah.
power until tomorrow, say?
Yeah. I can appreciate it. Nobody ever wants to be without electricity, and our customers are great here in New Hampshire. I really appreciate their patience. I want them to be reassured that we're not going to rest until everybody's restored, and we'll continue to bring more resources into the area and make sure that we have everybody restored by tomorrow.
Are there any communities that have been out for a couple of days without power?
I would say in the Keene area. Again, it's the hardest hit area, and I think people understand because they can see the amount of snow and the amount of trees that have come down across the roads. But they can also see hundreds, if not thousands, of line workers in and around their communities working on getting the power back up.
Anything you want to say on how hard your crews have been working?
Oh, the crews have been great. I mean, they on Tuesday during the event, our crews are out there working with first responders from the towns, getting roads cleared, restoring our customers. I think the first night we restored upwards to about 60,000 customers in the heat of the storm when it started.